Imagine buying a car today and watching your kids drive the same car 20 years from now. Sounds crazy? Not when you choose the right legendary machines. Today, we're breaking down 10 cars so unbelievably reliable, so battle-tested, and so long-lasting, you can literally pass them down to the next generation. Let's unlock the unstoppable champions. Number 1. Toyota Corolla, the immortal daily driver. If reliability had a face, it would look like the Toyota Corolla. This car is the definition of bulletproof engineering. Generation after generation, Toyota has perfected a simple, durable formula: a low-stress engine, a smooth automatic transmission, and minimal electronics that can fail. People joke that the Corolla is the car you buy once and never replace. And honestly, they're not wrong. Owners regularly push these cars past 300,000 miles, sometimes even 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. What makes it so dependable? Simple, proven engine designs, cheap and widely available parts. No unnecessary tech that breaks the Corolla is the buy it, forget it, drive forever machine, and it deserves that crown. Number 2. Honda Civic, the young legend with old-school durability. The Honda Civic is one of those cars that simply refuses to die. Whether it's a daily commuter, a first car for beginners, or even a modified street machine, the Civic handles everything with grace. Honda designed the Civic with efficient, long-life engines that run cool and clean, and when repairs are needed, parts are everywhere, cheap and super easy to replace. Why people love Civics for the long haul: outstanding fuel economy, minimal major breakdowns, engines that can easily outlive the car's body. You'll notice one thing: Civics don't fade away. They stay on the road for decades, proudly surviving year after year. Number 3. Toyota Camry, the king of no-drama reliability. If the Corolla is the reliability prince, the Camry is the undisputed king. This car is so smooth, so quiet, and so effortless to maintain that it has become the global symbol of stress-free driving. Taxi drivers worldwide choose Camrys because they're built to run all day, every day. Many owners report 400,000 plus miles without ever touching major components. Why it's legendary: rock-solid V6 and 4-cylinder options, smooth transmissions, low failure rates across generations. A Camry doesn't break, it simply ages gracefully. Number 4. Honda Accord, the iron horse of family cars. The Honda Accord blends style, performance, and durability in a way most cars can only dream of. This car's engines, especially the 2.4-liter iVTEC and 3.5-liter V6, are known globally as some of the most reliable engines ever built. If you want a car that can handle daily commutes, long highway trips, and years of punishment without complaining, the Accord delivers like a champion. Why it lasts: high-quality engineering, strong transmissions, excellent reliability. Record Accords often last 20+ years when cared for. That's the kind of longevity you can genuinely hand down. Number 5. Toyota RAV4, the SUV that just doesn't quit looking for an SUV built to last generations. Enter the Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that combines Toyota reliability with a rugged yet efficient platform. The RAV4 is known for having minimal mechanical failures, extremely low maintenance costs, and an engine that stays loyal for life. Why families choose it: strong resale value, durable engine and transmission, long-lasting suspension. You'll see older RAV4s from the early 2000s still running strong today, and with the newer models built even better, it's clear this SUV has serious staying power. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner, the indestructible off-road warrior. If you want a vehicle that can outlive even a zombie apocalypse, the Toyota 4Runner is the answer. This SUV is famous for being nearly unbreakable thanks to its body-on-frame truck design and ultra-durable 4.0-liter V6 engine. This isn't just a family SUV, it's an adventure machine built to survive decades of abuse. Why it's unstoppable: built like a tank, simple, rugged engineering, legendary off-road durability. Many 4Runners easily cross 400,000 miles, and some make it past 600,000 miles without major work. It's one of the most durable vehicles ever built. Number 7. Lexus RX 350. Luxury that lasts like a Toyota. Think luxury cars are expensive to maintain? The Lexus RX is the exception, with Toyota DNA underneath. The RX gives you upscale comfort with long-term reliability that smashes its German competitors. It's refined, quiet, smooth, and unbelievably dependable. Many owners keep these cars 15 to 20 years with barely a hiccup. Why the RX 350 is built for generations. Overbuilt Toyota V6 engine, extremely low breakdown rates, comfortable enough to keep forever. This is the rare luxury car that won't drain your wallet over time. Number 8. Subaru Outback, the long-life Explorer wagon. The Subaru Outback isn't just a vehicle, it's a companion for families who love traveling, camping, and exploring. Its signature symmetrical A system is built for harsh weather, slippery roads, and rough terrain. While Subarus require regular maintenance, the Outback's structure and engine design make it capable of incredible longevity. Why it lasts decades. Excellent AWD durability, great engine longevity when maintained, built for challenging climates. This is the perfect car to hand down to kids who love adventure. Number 9. Honda CR-V, the reliable family SUV every home needs. The Honda CR-V is a reliability monster disguised as a friendly family SUV. It's roomy, efficient, low maintenance, and extremely long-lasting. Everything a practical driver wants. Why CR-V owners stick with it for life? Smooth and efficient engines, low repair costs, high long-term reliability. The CR-V is the SUV that simply makes sense and keeps working year after year. Number 10. Toyota Land Cruiser, the million-mile legend. And now, the grand finale. The Toyota Land Cruiser, the most durable passenger vehicle ever built. This isn't just reliability, it's mythical longevity. Around the world, Land Cruisers are used in deserts, jungles, mountains, military operations, and humanitarian missions. Why? Because they don't break, ever. Land Cruisers are known to hit 500,000 miles easily, 700,000 miles commonly. Some even reach 1 million plus miles. The engineering behind the Land Cruiser is so overbuilt that it's often referred to as a lifetime purchase. If there's one car you can buy today and confidently pass down to your children, and possibly their children, it's the Land Cruiser. Cars come and go, but these 10 machines stand the test of time. If you want a vehicle that protects your wallet, your peace of mind, and maybe even becomes a family heirloom, pick one of these legends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unstoppable ride.